we'll guide you through how to use Stripe Atlas to incorporate your business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe Atlas website and click on the Get Started button. You'll need to create a Stripe account if you don't have one already, so enter your email and set up a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to fill out a form with your business information. This includes your company name, industry, and the country where you want to incorporate. Next, you'll need to specify your business structure. Stripe Atlas helps you set up a C corporation in Delaware, which is a popular choice for startups. After that, you'll be required to provide information about the founders and any key team members. Make sure you have their details on hand, such as full names, addresses, and email addresses. Stripe Atlas will then guide you through setting up a US bank account. This is essential for handling payments and other financial transactions. You'll also be asked if you want to apply for an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, which is necessary for tax purposes. Once you've completed all these steps, you'll submit your application for review. Stripe Atlas will take care of the legal paperwork and notify you once your company is incorporated. They also help with ongoing compliance and provide access to a range of tools and resources to help manage your new business. The entire process is streamlined and designed to make it as easy as possible to get your business up and running. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.